What's up guys, Chris Schroeder here with another video to help you guys understand paid advertising. And in this video guys, I'm going to be going over my automated sourcing method. So I'm renaming my 115 method to something that's a little better. I think automated sourcing method is actually a better name for it because that's what it is, right? We're having ads go out and we are having them essentially, source for us automatically, right? So my 115 marketing method, still, it's the same thing, right? Same process, same thing. But guys, in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it down step by step by step. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my computer and show you guys how to do it there. Okay, so I figured putting it up here first might be a better way to help you guys understand the overall 10,000 foot overview of things. And then I'm gonna actually show you how to do it on the computer. So let's jump right into it. By the way, if you guys would, please like and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube algorithm pump me up. And I also got a bunch of cool resources below in my description to help you guys win. So let's go over the automated sourcing method. Let's do it. All right, so the automated sourcing method. So in every paid ad campaign, what you have is you have a campaign, you have an ad set, and then you have ads, okay? So the campaign, what we do is we use, the campaign usually controls the budget, the way I do things, and it's controlled by CBO, which is Campaign Budget Optimization. I think it's called something different now. You'll see it on the computer. I'll just press it and turn it on. But the campaign is kind of what controls the budget here, and it controls how much you spend per day, essentially. Okay. The ad set is the second part. Okay, the ad set controls the location that the ads are shown in. It controls the page that is shown on the ads. It controls the languages that it is shown to. You can and this is a quick tip for anybody living in a place that's very high with a Spanish population. Targeting Spanish-speaking people is like super cheap. It's really good money. I do that in Miami a lot with clients, so and students who live there. And then placements. So placements are the Facebook news feed, marketplace, the Facebook search feed, and things like that. It just controls where everything is. First campaign, I always say, just kind of let Facebook do their thing, and then go from there, right? So, and then you have the ads. You have 5 different ads down here, right? And these ads contain the photos, the ad copies, and then they also control, the fact that it's sent to Messenger. You get a Messenger message whenever somebody hits you up looking to sell something. This is how all of that works. This is the part that people see. The people do not see these parts. These are controlled by you, but people do see these. So 115, right? 115 local marketing method. But you always want to run 5 ads because when you're running 5 ads, we're doing something called split testing. And you want all of those ads to contain a different photo as well. When you do that, it allows the algorithm to kind of figure out what people are going to respond to. And that's essentially how all of that works. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to show you guys how to actually set this up. So I'll see you guys in my computer. All right, what's up guys? Welcome to my computer. And in this video, it's a continuation of the automated sourcing method. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to set this up, outlined by the overview I just gave you. And we're actually gonna do it inside of Ads Manager now, okay? So when you have an Ads Manager, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here to Create. And then it's gonna load it up. And then you're probably gonna see something like this. This is kind of new. If you use the old one, just choose messages, right? But if you're seeing this screen, you're going to choose engagement. And then we're going to wait. All right. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to do Advantage Campaign Budget. So this is basically Campaign Budget Optimization, CBO, which is what I was talking about a few minutes ago. All right, and then we're always going to start off with a $5 daily budget. We're going to go next. Let it load. All right. Now we are in the ad set. So the campaign was the first part that you saw that I talked about that contains the budget and things like that. This is the ad set. You can see right here, it says ad set. And what you're going to do here is you're going to do messaging apps. Okay. And then you're going to choose your page. As you can see, mine is already chosen. And then we're going to go down here and then we need to choose the location. Okay. So we're going to go here and then we're going to put this in. So for me, it's League City. So I live in League City, Texas. All right. As you can see, it's chosen, right? So, and for me, I always do a 25-mile radius personally. Then I always typically change the age groups to 18 to 45 because that's the people that typically message us. And then as you can see, you can control the languages here. So if you want to do like a Spanish speaking area, you can just do all, right? And then you also see your estimated audience size down here. If I change it to Spanish, it goes down, quite a bit, but those people never have any ads run to them. So sometimes that's a good thing to do. And then for placements, as you guys can see here, you can do manual placements, which means you can choose where they are shown, or you can just let Facebook kind of do it. This is what I always do the first time around. Okay. Then I can analyze the data and I can figure out where people are actually messaging me from. Okay. All right. So now it is time to build the ad, like the ad itself. Okay. And this is the part that people see. This is this is where the things that people see. So we need to add an image. So let's add one here. We're going to use this one. There you go. And then we're going to add an ad copy. So let me grab the ad copies. If you guys want these ad copies, you can find them in my starter kit program. So you can check that out in the description below. All right, and then paste. All right. We'll go here, and I'm just going to change this to League City. And then we're going to change the headline to sell a device. And then I always like to add a little emoji here, right here. Boom. Okay. And then you need to create conversations for people to, be able to message you. So I already have one created. So let me find that one and you guys can just kind of copy it. So let's go to use existing. There we go. All right. So this is the one for me buying shoes. This is not the one I want. I need the other one. Let's do probably this one. Nope, that's sneakers. Okay, here we go. As you guys can see, I buy more than just phones. All right, so you want to make sure the phone number thing is off, and then you want it to look like this. So sell an iPhone, and then what device do you have? Any issues with it? Sell Samsung. What device do you have? Any issues with it? You only really want to ask 2 questions. So, and if you watch my bullet negotiation video, you will understand why. But that's on my Facebook. Don't worry about these offline events. Those don't mean anything to you guys. That's just me testing cool things out. All right, so now what we need to do, we need 5 ads, okay? So I'm gonna make this super, super easy. And then all we're gonna do is go to these 3 dots right here, and we're gonna click quickly duplicate. And then all we have to do is press clear all, add image or add media, and then we just start uploading a couple of different photos, just like that. We already created the template with the first ad, so now all we have to do is quickly duplicate all of these and then just swap out the photos so that Facebook can actually split test the images so that it can bring us business. Okay. Quickly duplicate. And then we just need to do one more after this one. So add media. Let's use this one. And quickly duplicate. Clear all. Add media. Add image. All right, and let's do this one. All right, remember, no Apple logos in any of the images whatsoever. Facebook will knock you for that. All right, so, and here is the method, the automated sourcing method, previously known as the 115 marketing method. You can see why. 1 campaign, 1 ad set, 5 ads, okay? Now, one thing that I get a lot of questions about is, Chris, this thing keeps showing up here. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this little orange caution sign. It doesn't mean anything. The only one that you want to worry about is the red one, because then you would need to edit something and go from there. So then you're going to close, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select all of them, edit, and then publish. And then there we go. That's how it all works. And that is the automated sourcing method using paid advertising. You can do this for Facebook and Instagram. If you want help setting this stuff up, okay, here's my pitch, just so you guys know. If you guys want help setting all of this stuff up, I do offer mentorship. I only work with who I want to work with, so that is something to be aware of. You do have to have a good amount of money. I recommend $1,500 plus to actually work directly with me. If you don't have that type of money, I have options, okay? If you don't have that type of money, what I recommend is get my ebook. My ebook goes through all of this and it implements it, or you can learn how to implement it yourself. The reason why people work with me specifically is because they don't want to set this up. They want help. They want somebody to talk to. They want somebody who will, answer their questions as they're, doing it. And I help you set this up, right? I coach you and I kind of guide you on how to set this all up correctly so that you don't make mistakes. One of the biggest things about my accelerator program or the mentorship is I help people eliminate about 6 months worth of mistakes. So if you're interested in that, there's an application below where you can apply. It's an application-based thing only. Other than that, if you're not ready for that yet, what I recommend is watch this video again, implement it, get my ebook, maybe join this, starter kit program, and that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it provides you a ton of value, and I hope you learn enough from these videos that eventually you are able to work with me, because I love helping people grow in this business. It's a very big passion of mine, because this business has done so much to change my life, and I know it can do it for yours too. Anyway, guys, onward and upward. I'll see you guys in the next video.